How to master Python Functools for efficient coding. In this video, we'll explore Python's Functools module to enhance your code efficiency and readability, teaching you how to implement tools like partial, ru_cache, and reduce for more concise and maintainable code. Welcome to the world of Python Functools. Did you know that mastering just a few functions can drastically enhance your code's efficiency and readability? In this video, we're diving deep into Python's Functools module. By the end, you'll be equipped to write cleaner, faster, and more maintainable code. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced coder, understanding Functools is a game changer. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights and tutorials.
The Functools module is a powerful part of Python's standard library. But what exactly is it? Functools offers higher-order functions that act on or return other functions. This is especially useful for decorators and functional programming. The module includes a variety of tools like partial, ru_cache, and reduce, each designed to solve specific coding challenges. With software becoming increasingly complex, Functools helps simplify function calls, optimize performance, and make code more maintainable. Whether it's reducing repetition or enhancing readability, Functools is an essential part of any Python programmer's toolkit.
Let's explore partial, one of the most intriguing functions in Functools. The partial function allows you to fix a certain number of arguments of a function and generate a new function object. This is particularly useful when you need to frequently call a function with most of the same arguments. For example, if you have a function that calculates the power of numbers, using partial, you can create a new function that always squares numbers. This reduces the complexity when dealing with repetitive function calls and enhances code readability. Real-world applications include setting default values in APIs or simplifying callback functions in event-driven programming. Performance is key in programming, and that's where ru_cache comes in. Short for least recently used cache, ru_cache is a decorator that stores function results to avoid redundant calculations. This is incredibly useful for functions that are computationally expensive or called frequently. By caching results, ru_cache improves performance and reduces execution time. You can also manage the cache size using the max size parameter to control memory usage. A common use case is in recursive algorithms like Fibonacci sequence computations, where caching can significantly speed up the process.
The reduce function is a cornerstone of functional programming in Python. It applies a specified function to the first two items in an iterable and then continues the process with the result in the next item until the iterable is exhausted. This is perfect for scenarios where you need to cumulatively process items, like summing a list of numbers or finding a product. While reduce can often be replaced with loops, it shines in situations where readability and conciseness are priorities. Functional programming enthusiasts often use reduce for its elegance and power in data processing pipelines.
Have you ever wished for function overloading in Python? Enter singledispatch. This function decorator allows you to define a generic function and then register additional implementations based on argument types. This is ideal for handling different data types with the same function logic. For instance, you can create a function that processes various data formats like JSON, XML, or CSV using singledispatch to determine the exact method. It enhances code flexibility and maintainability, making it easier to extend functionality without altering the core logic. In Python, decorators are a powerful way to modify or extend function behavior. However, they can sometimes obscure the original function's metadata, such as its name or docstring. This is where wraps comes into play. Part of the Functools module, wraps is a decorator for decorators that helps preserve the metadata of the original function. This is crucial for maintaining code documentation, debugging, and development. By using wraps, you ensure that the original function's information is retained, making your decorators more transparent and your codebase easier to navigate. Now that we've covered the fundamentals, let's see how Functools can be applied in real-world scenarios. From data processing to web applications, Functools provides tools that enhance performance and maintainability. For instance, using ru_cache in a web app can drastically reduce response times by caching database query results. Similarly, partial can simplify complex API call structures, while reduce can streamline data aggregation processes. These examples highlight how mastering Functools not only makes your code more efficient but also prepares you for advanced software development challenges. With great power comes great responsibility, and the same applies to Functools. While these tools are designed to enhance efficiency, it's important to use them judiciously. Always choose the right Functools for specific tasks, balancing readability with performance. Avoid overusing decorators, which can lead to convoluted code. Instead, integrate Functools with other Python modules like itertools or collections to create robust solutions. By following best practices, you'll ensure that Functools remains a valuable part of your coding toolkit, ready to tackle any programming challenge with elegance and efficiency. Congratulations on mastering the essentials of Python's Functools. By now, you should have a solid understanding of how these tools can transform your coding efficiency and readability. As you continue your Python journey, remember to practice and explore further. We invite you to join our community discussions and share your experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more advanced Python content. Your journey doesn't end here. Stay curious, keep coding, and let's continue to build amazing software together.